Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear chat history on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner. Tap on general. Now tap on Clear Chat History on the last row. Tap on Confirm to clear chat history. And that is how you can easily clear chat history on Mico application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.